Hi everybody, Sandy again from Angerstein's. We have gotten a new outdoor collection that we are loving. It is a company that's Plow and Hearth. I'm sure that's a name you're all familiar with. They have a great eucalyptus table, which is similar to teak in that it can withstand being outside, just ages nicely. This table is really nice, gives you 6 chairs and a nice sized table, but I'm going to have Kelly come in and help me. It has a really great feature. Have extra guests around, simply pull it apart, flip this over, push it back together. You've got the seating for at least 2 more people. No leaf to store anywhere, safe right underneath. Super great. We do have another table that is offered in that collection. Come on, follow me, Kelly. Take a look at some of the things we offer while we're walking up to the fireplace section. Hope you're not getting dizzy. We have a great little bistro set with folding chairs. It's also done in that eucalyptus wood, which is great, again, for outside. Gives you a great natural look, and I think the chairs are super cute. It's got a nice footprint for a smaller patio. Looks great. Hope you enjoyed it. Call us if you'd like to order. Talk to you soon. Stay safe and be healthy.